Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the auto typing keyboard or the typing wrong letters keyboard problem in our device. And so for that we will begin with the device manager. So how can we go to the device manager? Just simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to this device manager window here or options, and then you will get the device manager window coming up. So let me just expand this one, and then we will be going to the keyboard. So just click on that, double click, and then you will see the keyboard driver that you have in your device. So simply just go to this or just click on that and then make a right click and then go click on the update driver button there. And then once you do that, you will get two options here. You will be asked on how do you want to search for drivers. So just please click first the search automatically for drivers option. And once you do that and it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then simply go to the second option, browse my computer for drivers. And then once you do that, just click on the last option there. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then you will be shown here all the compatible hardware drivers that you have in your device. So if you have chosen the older version, then simply just select the latest one, and then you will just need to click on that and then click on the next button here. And once you do that, it will install the driver, and when it says that the Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then you can just close this window, and then it will ask you to make a quick restart. So please do make a quick restart with your device. And then once you have done that, just go back to this window here, and then we will uninstall the driver. So how can we do that? Simply make a right click on the driver and then go click on the uninstall device here. And then once you have done that, it will be uninstalled, and just simply go to the action tab here at the very top portion, and then just go click on the scan for hardware changes. Now once you do that, it will be reinstalled again, and then just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.